Hey guys, if you want to help the channel out, the affiliate links will be down in the description for Big Jeff Audio and slapzaudio. Use code BASSMENACE for 5% off on your order. Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. BassMenace here, and I'm here today with Cannon, and this is going to be his Nissan Xterra. It's going to be a 2-year update because we actually installed these subs about 2 years ago, huh? So, Cannon, what you got going for us?
Right, first of all, on the engine, we got the big three. We got the 0-gauge wire. We got it going down to the alternator somewhere down here. You can't really see it.
Yeah, it's kind of hidden.
Right down that away.
I see it. It's hard to see, but it is down there.
And then if you want to come this way.
Gotcha.
So we got the wiring. If you want to show the cable over there, we got it going through.
Yeah, see, we got it going through the...
I didn't really bother hiding it at all.
Yeah.
Kind of lazy. So.
It's okay.
All right. Custom made box by yours truly.
Oh yes, thank you.
We got the American Bass 12-inch.
These are the elites.
Oh yeah.
Elite subs. These are really good.
We got the Taramp right here. I forget which one this is. I think this is the Gen 2, Gen 3.
I think it's going to be the Smart 3K. So basically what it means, it will support watts on a lot of ohmage. So like 1 ohm, 2 ohm, the amplifier is going to be smart and produce the same amount of watts.
Second battery to power.
Redodo battery. This is just going to be a regular lithium battery.
Solid battery.
Solid, yeah? Solid. You like it? Yeah. So compared to what you had before, like how do you like the lithium? Like this is just a solar battery.
It's 10 times better.
It just sounds better?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is going to be the 50 amp hour Redodo.
I do get pretty lazy about charging it, not going to lie.
Yeah. You need to upgrade your alternator?
Yeah, that too.
Low key.
That's a big one.
I gotcha.
We got a little wear and tear, as you can see. I've been putting the box to show you where I've been putting the box to some pretty heavy use. But
2 years old though.
It's holding up.
Pretty nice though. I really like it. I mean, I still like it. I mean, I made it, but I'm a little biased.
I really like the wallpaper. I actually haven't looked at it in a minute.
Dude, it's honestly beautiful.
That's sick. All right, do we want to test it?
Yeah, let's go. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna do a little bit of a demo test. I got my SPL Lab decibel meter right here, and we're gonna see how loud this system can go.
Do we want windows up or windows down?
We can try it both ways. Alrighty, so all windows down first. Let's get it. Who the fuck is Ghost Shot?
I haven't heard this one.
It's good.
Does he want me?
I don't know. I remember when I was in my face, freaked out. Dust on from the next time, so again. I remember when I was getting another M&M's, was spilling it. Here we go, get my adrenaline. I swear to fall apart and then they come right back again. I remember when I get down. I remember when I get scratched on my motherfucking credit. What the fuck is my face? We don't make it as a car, I'm fucking this. Here we go, get another fucking mess. Tell it there's a head and I'm in the fucking ass. Don't push me, man. What the fuck is your friends? You don't make it as you cross your fucking ass. Here we go, get it off the fucking mess. Better listen ahead and you're in the fucking ass.
Alright guys, this is gonna be windows up now. We got like a 132, I think, or 133. So let's see.
Does he love me? Does he hate me? Does he want me?
I don't know. I remember when I was in my face, freaked out. Dust on from the next time, time again. I remember when I was getting down on the M&M's, was spilling it. Here we go, get my adrenaline, it's in the skeleton. I swear to fall apart and then they come right back again. I remember when I get down. I remember when I get scratched on my motherfucking credit. What the fuck is my face? We don't make it as a car, I'm fucking this. Here we go, get it off the fucking mess. Tell it there's a head and I'm in the fucking ass. Don't push me, man. What the fuck is your friends? You don't make it as you cross your Flash from flipping, burning, stalking, shells attacking all the time. Just like the cinnamon roll. Bitch, I'm burning up. Call a fire, try to see me. They say that. Cause I bought one. To show up like the blessings of the one that's living, so they soul never rest.
Alrighty guys, that was a little bit of a demo from Canon setup. Still 2 years in the making, it's still powering really well. I think we got a 136 was the max I saw on the decimal meter. It actually fell off up there. I don't know if you can see that, but the bass actually vibrated it off, which is all good. But thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to see more content like this, let me know down in the comment section down below. And yeah, see you next time.
Gene, wake up.
All alone, I've been all alone. On my own, I've been on my own. But the devil trying to hit my phone, but nobody else gonna call.